Welcome to My Life in Coasters, where today I'm here at Energylandia in Poland, one of the world's largest parks for roller coasters. I think they've got 19 or something. It's their winter event today. It's my first ever visit, so excited to get around, get on some of these coasters for the first ever time, and there will be on-ride POVs as well because yeah, I've got the chest-mounted action camera on as well. Yeah, some really nice theming around, which I wasn't expecting. I thought it was an amusement park, but yeah, it looks really good. I think I'll head over towards Zadra or Formula to start. Hyperion is closed today because it's got stuck. I'll show you that later. But wow, some of this theming is really nice. Monster House. There's a lot more theming than I was expecting. I was expecting it to be like a big car park with rides on it, but no, it's really nice. Yeah, I think Formula will be a good place to start. There's also RMF Dragon roller coaster. I think there's about 10 roller coasters open today to get on out of 19, which isn't too bad for a Christmas event. Yeah, 10-minute queue, not too bad. It's the only queue in the park, so I'll do this one to start with. All done then. I think that's a Vekoma launch coaster. It was really fun. I think it's got 3 inversions, nice little pop of airtime that I wasn't expecting. But yeah, really good. I hope the POV come out alright. It's very, very cold today and I wasn't sat at the front. It was in the back car though. I'm now heading through into Sweet Valley, I think it is, under a tunnel, which is like a road that goes through the park. It's very confusing, but it is a massive park here at Energylandia. I'll check out some of the smaller coasters and stuff a little bit later, but now it's time for me to do Zadra, which is like the main reason for visiting this park. It's a massive RMC hybrid coaster. Frida, I think that's a Vekoma Boomerang, and then look at this impressive entrance for Zadra. Can't wait to get on this bucket list ride. Without further ado, it says it's not got a queue. Let's go on Zadra. It is very cold. It's like -10 today. Yeah, what people say about the queue length isn't wrong. It is such a long queue line. But I'm sure I'll get there eventually. Whoa! That's cold. Amazing. Well, that is one pretty good roller coaster. Zadra there. Did it on the back row. The drop, the airtime, the hang time, the whippiness. I couldn't fault a thing other than how cold my face was. It was like I just put my face in a bowl of ice. It was very stingy. So in the shop they sold these things. So I bought one. I'm not sure what it's called, but yeah, I wear it, covers my face, keeps it warm, and it means I can go on Zadra quite a lot. So yeah, Zadra, very, very good. Not sure what I'm going to do now. There's a lot of coasters to get around. There's this one here, so I might do this quickly. Park's winter decorations are absolutely lovely. Like all the Christmas decorations, it's gotta be one of the best events. Leasyburgs was really good, but for like decorations and stuff, I might have to give it to Energylandia for Christmas events. It is very, very nice. Sweet Valley, I know this was new for a couple of years ago. It's got 2 roller coasters in it. Yeah, one of them's a mine train and another's just like a family coaster, but it's a full themed area, so excited to have a look. It's all very cartoony here. Yeah, Choco Chip Creek. There's the entrance to it there, the mine train. Yeah, this area looks really nice. Sweet Valley Town Hall. It's all nicely fresh and painted up. And then this is Nakomi Honey Harbour is the name of this little roller coaster. I will do all these shortly. Just take a bit more of a look around the area first. Looks really nice actually, that building. Change of plan, I'm going to do that purple family coaster as that's like the only other ride I've not done at this end of the park. So I'll do that and then I'll work my way back to Sweet Valley, do the mine train and that Honey Harbour ride as well. So yeah, that's the plan. So this is Frida. It's a Vekoma family coaster, I believe, and I'm going to head on to it now. The entrance is just through here, but this whole area has got really nice theming. Yeah, there's a couple of coasters down here. There's this boomerang. I know the park's got 2 boomerangs and I think only one's open, so might do that one or the other one. And then yeah, there's this one, Frida. Not really sure what the layout is, but I'll find out when we get on, I guess. Yeah, I just did, well, I can't remember what that was called, but I just did that family coaster and that was quite good. It was a really fun Vekoma one. And then I did the snow tubing as well, which was also really good. But I'm going on for another ride on Zardra. Yeah, that was just my action camera. Yeah, see what this is like. Yeah, so Zardra was really good. Did it on the back row again there. Really, really glad to do that one. Another e-ride. I might go back to it later tonight, or if not, it'll be when I come back tomorrow because I have got a second day at this park. But now, I'm finally going to go onto the mine train, Choco Chip Creek. Well, it's really nice to be indoors for a change. But yeah, look at all this lovely themed indoor queue line. It is quite a new ride, is Choco Chip Creek. It opened about 2 or 3 years ago, I think now. But it does look really, really good. The new stuff Energylandia do, they do a really good job with the theming. Whoa! Whoa! This is quick! Choco Chip Creek is a great ride though, really enjoyed that. 3 lift hills, really long ride, nice and smooth. I'm now going to do the other coaster in this same area. Yeah, this one looks really nice, bright, colourful, really nice looking station building. So let's join the queue line, not that there's going to be a queue, there's no one about. Choco Chip Creek and then Honey Harbour in the Sweet Valley area. 2 very good Vekoma family coasters. Did them both on the back row. Really good airtime, really fun, smooth rides, lovely theming. Over here at Pepsi Hyperion, now it was scheduled to be open, but the train is at the top of, I think it's an Immelman, and it's stuck there all the way down there. I'll show you it better in the morning if they've not moved it, but it looks unlikely for me getting on this weekend, but it is still a really impressive ride structure. Here, so I just thought I'd come and have a look at the entrance and the big sign for Pepsi Hyperion, not Hyperia. Yeah, it looks like a really good ride though. Gonna head on to RMF Dragon. It's a very weird name for a ride, but it's a Vekoma suspended coaster, just a family one. So gonna head on to this one. Not sure if I'll be able to get any off-ride shots of it. That is RMF Dragon done, and that was a really fun inverted or suspended family coaster. Really good drop on there. Not really any theming other than the queue. The queue had some nice rock work. But yeah, I think I'll take you on for a POV on there tomorrow as well in the daylight. But that is it. It's 6:30 now. The park has closed, so I'm making my way to the exit, and that is going to wrap up this vlog from Energylandia. And that is me leaving Energylandia from my day 1 visit. Yeah, it's been quite a good afternoon, despite it being very cold.